Heading out to Cape Girardeau, Missouri today, but first I had an emergency call for one of my customers. These dump trucks have a 4-channel camera system installed on them for various views throughout the truck, and this camera right here has went bad. So let me go ahead and grab the replacement camera that he left in the truck for me, get that swapped out, and head to Missouri. Let's get it. Looks like we caught a rock or something in it, and it got some moisture in the lens, slowly fried the camera. And there we have our view. Perfect. Time to lock it down and head on to Missouri. Finally starting to roll into Cape Girardeau. I have 5 jobs on the agenda for today. Hopefully I can get them all knocked out. Let's get it. Out here in downtown Cape Girardeau, going to be doing a fiber extension for Zickfield's jewelry store. Let me go ahead and get my truck pulled around in the alley behind where all the fiber comes in, and we'll get started. Some of the joys of working downtown include having to back down really tight alleyways. Got pulled around to the alley, and because it's an old historic building, had to basically kick that door in to get it unstuck from the frame, but we got in there. Here's our NID that we're going to be running out of, and I'm just going to follow the same path as this coax and other fiber and just pop it in right there into the suite and just follow the same path they have all the way to the ONT. Got the fiber to the NID location, although it is a little bit unusual of a NID placement. Backer board to the rafter, and there they got their PBX phone system. Cool. Out here at job 2, going to be doing a fiber extension for suite 6, which is this suite right here. All the surfaces come to the back side of the building, so let me head around back and we'll take a look at that. So we're going to be doing a fiber extension from this MOB splitter, and we're going down suite 6, which is this door right here. So not that long of a cable pull. Let me go ahead and get the fiber out of the box, get it unspooled, and I'm going to have to drill a hole in that enclosure to feed the fiber through before we get it right down to the suite. Got the fiber pulled all the way through the enclosure after I got the hole drilled in it. And the reason I did it this way is the end that plugs into that MOB style splitter is really big. So I didn't want to have to drill a big hole in that enclosure and then have to come back and seal that up. So instead I drill a smaller hole that's enough for the head of the fiber to feed through, go ahead and pull it through the enclosure, and then that way I only have to worry about sealing up that small little hole. But now that I got this part done, time to get it attached to the building all the way down to the suite. Got the fiber ran to the ONT, tucked back behind it for them to get it plugged in. Now time to load up the truck and hit job 3. Out here at job 3, got another fiber extension. It's going to their front counter, which is right on the other side of this window right here. And here we have the NID for this building. I'm going to be popping out and just running behind this ductwork, and we're going to pop the fiber through above their drop ceiling. Did go ahead and get some of the fiber straightened out to get ready to pull. Now time to hop on the ladder and let me knock it out. I got the rest of job 3 finished up. I just forgot to record it, and I did stop by job 4. Unfortunately, there's no one there, which that one was kind of iffy anyways because I hadn't been able to confirm it with the point of contact. But I was in the area today, so I figured I'd swing by and see if I could squeeze it in. But I think they're all gone because it's Good Friday. So Job 5, they don't want me there until after 3:30 p.m. So I guess I'm gonna grab a late lunch / early dinner, go ahead and get that out of the way, and then hit job 5. Let's get it. Out here at the 5th and final job, we're gonna be doing a fiber extension to this suite right here. And their modem and everything is actually right inside on the other side of this wall. So my plan of attack is to come from this MOB enclosure and just come up, and then right there is where all their existing services enter. So we're just gonna enter right by that and pull off enough slack to get us down and splice in a clear pack. Got the clear pack all spliced in, nice and neat. Time to throw the cover on it. Got our fiber coming out, tucked away nice and neat, all the way to the MOB enclosure. Got the cover back on that. Got the truck loaded up. It's time to hit the road, baby. But first and foremost, you know what time it is. Yeah, baby.